family fitness fun activities for all ages. Hey there, families! Welcome back to Norman the Family Man. You know, family is everything to me. Spending time with my wife and kids, creating those memories, that's what life is all about. And what better way to bond than by getting active together? Today, we're talking about family fitness, making it fun, engaging, and something everyone looks forward to. Whether you're cooped up inside on a rainy day or soaking up the sunshine, I've got a whole bunch of ideas to get your family moving, grooving, and most importantly, laughing together. So stick around and let's turn exercise from a chore into a cherished family tradition. Easy home exercises. You know, sometimes the thought of exercising can feel like a chore, but it doesn't have to. You don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment. Some of the best workouts happen right in your living room, with the people you love most. Let's start with something simple, a good old-fashioned dance party. Crank up your family's favorite tunes, anything from oldies to pop hits, let loose, and get those feet moving. It's amazing how much fun you can have while getting a fantastic cardio workout. Remember, it's all about letting loose and having a blast together. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, why not create an indoor obstacle course? Now this is where the kids really get into it. Use pillows, blankets, chairs, anything you can find around the house to build a challenging and exciting course. You can even time each other and have a friendly competition. The laughter and memories you'll create are priceless. Now for those quieter moments when you're looking to unwind and de-stress as a family, yoga is a fantastic option. There are tons of family-friendly yoga poses that are perfect for beginners and kids of all ages. Yoga is not only great for flexibility but also promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Plus, it's a wonderful way to bond and connect with your loved ones in a peaceful and calming environment. Fun games for all ages. Who doesn't love a good game night? But here's the thing. Games are not just about having fun, they can also be a sneaky way to get everyone moving. Take Simon Says, for example. It's a classic, and you can easily incorporate physical activities into the commands. Instead of just saying Simon Says touch your nose, try Simon Says do 5 jumping jacks or Simon Says hop on 1 foot. Another family favorite is freeze dance. Blast some music, let loose with your silliest dance moves, and freeze in place when the music stops. It's a surefire way to get the giggles going while also working on those reflexes and coordination skills. Plus, it's hilarious to see everyone's frozen poses. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more competitive, balloon volleyball is a winner. Just string up a makeshift net using some yarn or rope and blow up a balloon. It's a safe and fun way to play volleyball indoors without worrying about breaking any valuables. Balloon volleyball is a fantastic way to improve hand-eye coordination and teamwork, all while having a ball. Outdoor activities when the weather's nice, there's nothing better than getting outside and enjoying the fresh air as a family. And lucky for us, the great outdoors offers endless opportunities for fitness fun. One of my favorite things to do is take family nature walks. Find a local trail or park, pack some snacks, and explore the beauty of nature together. It's a fantastic way to get some exercise, breathe in the fresh air, and appreciate the wonders of the natural world. Plus, it's a great opportunity to teach your kids about different plants, trees, and wildlife. For families who love a bit more speed, hop on your bikes and explore your neighborhood together. Bike rides are not only a fantastic cardio workout, but also a fun way to discover new places and enjoy the scenery. You can even pack a picnic and make a day of it, stopping at a park or scenic spot along the way. And of course, we can't forget about classic backyard games. Set up a mini soccer game, toss around a frisbee, or play a game of tag. These activities are excellent for getting your heart rate up, improving coordination, and creating lasting memories. The best part? You can tailor the games to your family's interests and abilities, making sure everyone has a blast. Making fitness a routine. Now you might be thinking, Norman, this all sounds great, but how do we make fitness a regular part of our busy lives? And you know what? You're right. Consistency is key. Just like we make time for school, work, and other commitments, we need to prioritize family fitness. A great way to do this is to schedule dedicated active time in your weekly calendar. It could be a 30-minute block after dinner a couple of times a week or a longer session on the weekends. The important thing is to make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. To stay motivated and on track, set achievable fitness goals together as a family. It could be something as simple as aiming for a certain number of steps each day, trying a new outdoor activity every month, or working towards a family fun run. And remember, achieving goals is important, but so is celebrating those victories, no matter how big or small. Did you all crush your step goal for the week? Fantastic, time for a healthy treat or a family movie night. Did you conquer a particularly challenging hiking trail? High fives all around. Celebrating successes reinforces positive habits and keeps everyone motivated and engaged. Get moving and grow together, outrow. Well folks, there you have it, a whole bunch of fun and easy ways to make fitness a part of your family's life. Remember, it's not about being the fittest family on the block. It's about spending quality time together, creating memories, and instilling healthy habits that will last a lifetime. If I, Norman the Family Man, can do it, so can you. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, don't be shy. Give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button to join the Norman the Family Man family, and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and fellow families. Let's spread the joy of family fitness, one jumping jack, bike ride, and dance party at a time. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these ideas inspire you to get moving together. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Norman the Family Man, and share this video with other families. Let's make the world a healthier, happier place, one active family at a time.